about this weird angle, but this is just how I have to do it right now. So I've cut the bob, as you can see, and now I'm going to do the fringe bang. So what you want to do is take out your desired amount. I think this is about the amount that I want. Like, you can play with it, like, to see kind of how it's gonna look. And that's what I want. So now you're just going to twist, 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 and then you're gonna take your scissors and you can cut pretty low. I'm just gonna cut this off. But then what you want to do is like let it go a little bit and then start doing the fringe. Like start cutting upwards. Alright, as you can see, like the bottom is kind of fringed. Now I'm just going to keep doing that process until I get up until the length that I want it at. Take my flat iron and kind of bump it a little bit. Gotta play with it however you like it. So yes, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope it was pretty easy for you because it was real easy for me. So thank y'all so much for watching.